Here I am on a beautiful trail in the middle of nowhere, but I've really got to go to the toilet. So what do you do if you find yourself in my situation? Let's find out. Tozan tips. Today is all about trail toilet etiquette. There's nothing worse than walking just off trail and finding someone's human excrement just plastered right there on the trail that's not been buried and not been packed out. It happens more often than you think. So follow these steps to make your next hike cleaner and more environmentally friendly. The first thing that you should try to do, if at all possible, is try to go to the toilet before you step onto the hiking trail. A lot of the more popular trailheads in Japan have toilets at the start of the trail. Also, some popular mountains have toilets along the trail, maybe near the summit or somewhere along the trail. That's your best case scenario. However, you might find yourself in a situation where you really have to go to the toilet and there's no toilet anywhere in sight. Today I'll cover what to do if you need to do number 1 or number 2 on the mountains. Let's talk about the first scenario. What do you do if you need to pee while hiking? Number 1 is the easiest. Just make sure you go off trail, away from any water sources. For men, you can simply go off the trail far enough into the woods and do your business there while standing. For females, it's a little bit more complicated. You need to squat. Unless you invest in a female urination device, or FUD, you can find these in Japan, and this will help you to pee more in an upright position and a more comfortable position when you do need to go. However, if you don't want to pee right into the forest, there is an even more environmentally friendly option. You can pack out your pee. You could pack it out either by peeing into a bottle or investing in one of these sheets here. This is supposed to solidify urine to block the odors and also make it dry and easy to pack out on your hike. So if you do find yourself needing to do number 1, either go off trail where no one can see you, or try peeing on one of these. The next and more cumbersome situation is what to do if you have to do number 2 while hiking. So if you need to do number 2 while hiking, you have 2 options. 1, you can either bury your waste, or 2, you can pack it out with you. Let's go through each situation. If you want to bury your waste, one thing that you may want to invest in is a garden trowel. Or if you don't have this tool, use rocks or sticks to help you dig a hole. I'd recommend finding a cedar forest if you can. That has the softest soil layer and the easiest to dig into. You'll also need either a roll of toilet paper or pocket tissues. Most people nowadays recommend packing out your toilet paper unless you have a special biodegradable non-scent environmentally friendly paper. If you're going to pack out your toilet paper, you may find it useful to get some Ziploc bags. These are just some freezer bags that you can buy, and you can put the dirty toilet paper into here and pack it into your pack. So let's get started. If you find a soft area like this, it should be soft enough just to use a stick or even your bare hands or a rock. The gardening trowel will make things a lot easier. The key is to dig it deep enough so you can do your business, and then be able to bury it so no one will ever know that it was there to begin with. Make sure you are well away from water sources, at least 60 meters away. Also try to bury your waste in a flat area that's not susceptible to rain runoff. You should try to dig your trench 6 inches wide at least and 5 or 6 inches deep, and then fill it in with dirt after you finish your business. If you find yourself on a really busy trail, or the ground is hard, too hard, or you're hiking in the alpine above the tree line, then it's imperative that you pack out your waste. Fortunately, the 100 yen shop in Japan has made this much easier. If you go to your local Daiso or any other 100-yen shop, go to the bullseye corner and you can find emergency toilet packs that look just like this. These are designed to be used in an emergency, which hiking in the mountains in the middle of nowhere is definitely an emergency. In addition, you can keep these in your earthquake kit, so if there's a strong quake and the water goes out and the power goes out, you can still do your business safely. You'll still need something to wipe with, either your toilet paper or some tissues. Let me show you what this portable toilet looks like. This thing comes with a disposable bag, and this is to help eliminate the odor. It will look something like this. It's designed to be held with your hand and kind of stick under your butt, maybe something like this. And I think the poo will go in there. And then you can close it up and put it inside this other bag. I think this one will work well if you have good balance. This is probably a better option if you can elevate it a little bit, and that way you can kind of squat over it like a real toilet. Another option is to use an adult diaper or an incontinence pad. It's hard to buy adult diapers in just one. Usually you have to buy a pack of 20 or 10. At the 100-yen shop, you can find these incontinence pads that you can use in place of an adult diaper. It's designed mostly for urine. If you don't have a lot of excrement, you should be able to catch it right onto here. It's not going to be the cleanest solution, but it's better than just doing it right into a plastic bag and walking out with that. Lay it on the ground and do your business, and then roll it up and put it into this bag. Put it in a Ziploc bag, or you can find these at the 100-yen shop as well. These are special bags designed for adult diaper disposal. Apparently, they help block the odors. These might be a more suitable option if you're on a multi-day hike. Close it up, stick it in your bag. I would put it on the outside of your pack if you have a slot on the outside. And head back, dispose of it properly when you get back home. Oh, and don't forget to wipe your hands so you can stay clean. So the next time you're at the 100-yen shop, look for some portable toilets and some other accessories that you can add to your day pack collection to make your outings in the mountains just a little bit more comfortable in case nature calls. That's it for another episode of Tozan Tips. I hope you found these tips about using the toilet in the mountains helpful, and you can use them on your next hike. Thanks for watching.